What's up, you guys? So in today's video, I'll be doing my impressions and review about the Hexclad cookware. So I've had these pots and pans for about 6 months now. I've used them a lot. I will say I'm not a professional chef. I'm more of like a business person that likes cooking on the side. I'll tell you guys why I love these pans so much, why they are the best pans I've ever had in my life, and why I think you guys should get them as well. So basically, I bought the set, I believe 6 different pans. It's a hybrid pot and pan set, and it comes with 6 different things. So we have the 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch fry pans. These all come with lids. So these are the lids, and we have 2 different saucepans. So I think this is the 2-quart, this is the 3-quart, and then down here we have the big pot. So this is what I make soups and stews in. I really like it. So they all come with the glass tops, and the cool thing is that you can use them in the oven. So these can be used in the oven at up to 500 degrees, and then these can also be put in the oven up to 400 degrees. So if you're cooking something super high in the oven, probably don't use these, but for most temperatures, these should be okay. Now let's talk a little bit about some of the cool tech stuff. I absolutely love the way that these pans look. So the first time I saw these pans, I think Gordon Ramsay was talking about them. I saw the hexagon design on it, and I was like, this is super cool. So actually these pans, it's a combination of non-stick plus stainless steel. So you basically get the benefits of both. Essentially you have a non-stick surface, and then you have these raised stainless steel ridges. That's basically why you can use metal utensils on this. This is fine. I prefer still to use wood to cook with, but just know that it is safe to cook with metal utensils. So the reason why it's nice to have both is because you get the best of both worlds. You get that non-stick from the non-stick surface, but you also get better sear, and it's easier to clean with the stainless steel. Basically, once you've used these, any other type of non-stick pan is gonna look super boring because it's not gonna have this cool design on it. And then with stainless steel pots and pans, those look cool, but they are a pain in the butt to clean for sure. These are much better to clean. But yeah, if you guys take a look at some of the pans, this is after 6 months of use. They can get a little bit stained up here, but it's actually pretty easy to clean. Okay, so I can't find the thing that we use to clean the stainless steel, but I will have a link to it down below because it's super amazing. Makes it look brand new again. But yeah, I pretty much cooked everything in these pots and pans. I think the hybrid set is really good. My only thing is that these 2 pots are pretty similar in size, 2 versus 3 quarts. They're not that different, so I feel like they could have made those a little bit different, more different in size. These frying pans are amazing. We like to cook bigger steaks and stuff on here. This is perfect for 2-3 eggs at a time, and this is in between, so it can be pretty much used for anything. When you first get these pans, you should probably season it. Seasoning these pans is super easy, so essentially all you want to do is take the pan, turn the heat on low, medium heat, put in a tablespoon of any type of oil. So I use olive oil, rub it in, and then leave the heat on for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, you can cook with it or you can wash it, and then the non-stick is gonna be even better. But yeah, you just need to season it once or twice. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys myself cooking an egg. I've never cooked on camera before, but let's do this just so I can show you guys. So I have my pan right here. We'll use the small one. I'm gonna turn this on. So I usually start off at low, medium heat. Oil. Now with these pans, since there is that stainless steel on it, you can't cook completely non-stick without any oil. So if you try and cook an egg on this without any oil, it's gonna stick. So just be aware of that. Oil around. This is basically what the pan looks like. A little up close. So I got my egg. I usually let this heat up for 30 seconds to a minute. There you go. What else can we talk about while this egg cooks? I love the handles. They are round. So if your hand is slippery or you have oil on it, sometimes it can be a little bit hard to go like this, especially if you have a lot of food. But for the most part, super comfortable to hold. These also have their special technology, which basically makes the handle not get hot. I will say the first inch or 2 gets a little bit hot. After that, totally good. I've never burned myself once with these pans. Okay, yeah, I did put a good amount of oil in this, and I also got an eggshell in here, so I'm gonna get this out. So when you store them, these basically can go like this. Yeah, it's pretty good. This stacks on that, this stacks on that. Okay, so we have the egg, it's cooking. So as you can see, I probably put too much oil for 1 egg, but it's gliding very well. So they do have a lifetime warranty. It doesn't really protect against user error, if you have your heat too high, if you use tools that are too sharp, then it doesn't cover that. But for any manufacturer defects, it's gonna be covered for the lifetime of its use. And one thing about these pots and pans is that they are quite expensive, especially if you compare them to the cheaper non-stick pans out there. I personally think it is worth the premium because these are basically the pans and pots that I'm gonna use hopefully for the rest of my life. I don't see myself ever having to change them. I'm not a professional chef, so I don't need to have full stainless steel. Also, I'm never gonna go back to just normal non-stick because it doesn't look cool, it doesn't perform as well as these with the stainless steel ridges. And yeah, let me turn this off. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Again, not the most technical review of these pots and pans, but overall in my experience, they've just been really good. They're very easy to use. They're very easy to clean. All you need is some soap and some water. Stuff comes off extremely easily because of those stainless steel ridges. I'm not gonna eat the egg, but I'll show you guys how to clean it. So let's say I'm done cooking this egg. Looks amazing. There we go. Normally I let this cool down for a little bit, but I'll just show you guys how to clean it. I got my Dawn power wash dish spray. I know it wasn't very dirty to begin with, but a little spray like this, and there you have it, a clean pan. So yeah, I really value convenience. I value performance. I value that non-stick hybrid stainless steel non-stick technology that they have going on here. So yeah, these are really great pans. Highly recommend them. Yes, they are more expensive, but if you think about it, if you use these for at least 5-10 years or more, super worth it. And they're pretty much the only pans that I use now. If you guys do want to try out Hexclad, I'll have a link down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you guys use that link, you will be helping to support the channel. So thank you so much in advance. But yeah, overall, amazing pans, and hope you guys got some value from this video. And hopefully you guys can see yourself having these in your own home. All right, thank you so much for your time. If you guys want to see other videos like this where I review things, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. We do a bunch of random reviews, videos on this channel. So yeah, thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.